Tell me why I was walking out of the lobby of the hotel and I thought the door was open. It's like a glass door. You can kind of see it right there. And I thought it was open and I ran straight into it. Were there people in the lobby? Yes. Did they hear me? Yes. They all looked at me. I was like, all good. So our Uber won't be here for another like 8 minutes, but I'm not going back in there. And what made this really embarrassing is like I stepped out of the elevator knowing that I looked real cute walking through the lobby, you know what I'm saying? Had a little pep in my step. I was walking pretty fast, ready for the day, and then boom, I turned around, the security guard is looking at me. I just gave him a thumbs up and kept walking. It looked open. I mean, it's open now though. It was so loud too. I went doom right into it. This mommy, okay. It's not that funny. That window right there. Listen, they keep their windows clean. I know that. The makeup is eating today though. Like skin is skinny, makeup is eating. That's why I hit the door right here. While we are waiting, this is our hotel. I'm pretty sure we like passed right by this yesterday and just didn't see it. But it's called Xochimilco. It's nice. We like it. The people are nice too. I'm excited.
Welcome. They built and designed Mexico City with a system of canals and islands. So in the past, these boats used to be our cars.
You drink your tequila and then you bite your lime, okay? That's the way I always do
This is our shot glass.
They gotta get theirs.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna toast together, but we have to be the loudest ones, okay? So everyone is gonna repeat after me. So say, pa arriba,
Pa arriba,
pa abajo,
abajo,
al centro, Okay, did you like your shots? Yeah. I think it's time. Everyone is gonna count 3 times and then you're gonna deal the scorpion, okay? So 1, 2, 3.
So we're off the boat now, and this is where we're having lunch. So cute. I recommend this. It's not even over, but I recommend this. This was fun. So we're actually eating lunch on an island, and then there's also a place where you can buy souvenirs, and then there's also an area where you can take a bunch of cute photos. So this is pulque. It's pretty much made out of that plant that's over there where she's standing at. Yeah, that's what this is. I have to smell everything.
Comes from that flower.
It tastes like beer.
You've had too much tequila. I drink tequila before I can drink beer. I'm just saying, that didn't taste bad.
That tastes like beer.
Okay,
It's cute or whatever.
I'm super cold, okay? Chamoy, so you have to dip your cup and twist, okay? So you're first. That's perfect. If you go to the wrestling stadiums, restaurants, you're gonna find the chamoy literally in the half of the glass, okay? You're gonna get totally sticky and dirty, but that's the part of the experience.
Huh? Yeah. Take the box.
Or you can give the shot to someone.
Lit before 12 is crazy. That was fun. That was so much fun. Oh my gosh. If you do this tour, get this, okay? I think that was her name. The heat feels good, but like, it's getting hotter. My mom said
said she felt that heat on her scalp. I did too. It's hot.
I'm speechless.
God. We're gonna be floating for real.